students, welcome to Adda 24/7. Today's topic is whether this CAIB course will be useful for you in your personal life, means banking career. So let's see that. What do you think? Will it be useful or won't it be useful? Point number one. Point number two, what do you think? Is CAIB only for getting increments or is CAIB for something additional use also? Means, am I doing only this whole CAIB for only money? Or is it something else also? So that's the point which will be discussing today. Before that, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile, as well as join Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. On this app you will get the study material for JAIIB, CAIB, video lectures, live classes, notes, question banks, everything. Okay, you name it, you have it for JAIIB and CAIIB course. So download it as fast as possible. Also on this Officers Adda 24/7, click on this and click to that bell icon. Okay, subscribe to this and click on this. Why? See here, importantly, we have crossed 1 lakh subscribers, so it's not an easy task. And why have all these 1 lakh guys subscribed? Because some new information is given to them every day. So why are you losing on that information? Join this and join it as fast as possible. Okay. Also, this marathon is coming up. See, a retail paper is still remaining on this Sunday. So we are having this marathon of retail on 8th of July. So join that at the respective timings. Check the timings, okay? Whenever you click that bell icon, you'll get everything, okay? Also, this paper analysis will be there. Now, those who are in JAIIB have cleared JAIIB, and now those who will be appearing for CAIB in December. So for them, this will be very useful. Okay, so everyone who is aspiring for CAIB or who has not cleared CAIB any paper, go for this marathon, as well as this batch is coming up. This batch is started from July 4th and 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. ABM, BFM and retail English batch. All the numericals, case studies, objective questions, everything is covered. I have more on this later. Okay. Also about this code, this fees will be a huge discount. Remember, fees is a huge discount using this code. So I'll tell you how to use it. Let's come to the topics here. Firstly, before knowing whether CAIB will be useful for you or not, importantly know what are the papers in CAIB. Here, now the new syllabus is coming up in 2023. So I would suggest everyone to clear CAIB within this period only. Don't wait for December 2023. Clear it within this December semester only. So join this batch as fast as possible, because nobody knows what would be the new portion in detail. Okay, some logic we have that even because we have been since in the CAIB classes for more than 7 to 8 years now, all of our professors. So everyone knows what would be the main part, but detailed portion nobody knows. So that's why I would suggest you to clear it by December only. Join this class as fast as possible. Also about these electives, see here, these are the prospective, means elective, these are the prospects basically. These electives may be there. They have given it rough idea on IIBF site, but they haven't given the exact information. Okay, but these are the present electives over here. And at Adda 24/7 we take classes for retail banking. Remember, 90% of the students who appear for CAIB take retail banking only. Okay, so I would suggest you also focus on retail banking only. And if you want some other information, like many of the students are there who want information in treasury, who want to grow in treasury, or who want to grow in information technology, what you can do is first clear CAIB, okay, using retail, and then they have specialized courses. IIBF has specialized courses for this IT, treasury, race. You can give them separately. But why are you losing on that increment? Okay, go for retail first, then go for the remaining electives. Okay, got this point, everyone? So here again I am telling you about these electives. Give the specified exams for these. That's not an issue. First clear CAIB using retail. Okay, so let's move on. Who is eligible for CAIB? Only banker. Remember, for JAIB that there's non-bankers are also allowed, right, in DBF, right? But CAIB only banker. Very important point. That's why you must feel privileged that you are getting this chance of appearing for this CAIB, because others, means non-bankers, are not eligible for this CAIB course. Okay, now next, how much increment do I get after CAIB here? If you are at a clerical level, you get 2 increments. If you are at officer grade, you will get 1 increment. But 2 increments is a huge amount. Here you run roughly 2 years ahead of your life. Okay, and not only increments, what all are the other things here? Before going ahead about this batch. This batch is started from July 4th. We'll be covering the numericals, case studies, objective questions, plus video, all live video lectures will be there, tests would be there, mock test. Okay, all this in this much fees. And this fees, if somebody feels it's huge, no, use this code. I'll show you at the end how to use this code. Okay, go for this code and you'll see the huge discount, almost 75 to 80% discounts. Okay, I'll show you at the end. Okay, so join this fast. Okay, next, then what is the value of CAIB? Okay, why should I now I'll come to the moot question. Why should I study CAIB? Only for this increment? No, it's not the case. See here, why did you do the graduation? Only for getting the job? No, you need to be a learned person, right? Similarly for CAIB, why do I give CAIB? Not only for increment, but you need to be an educated banker. Remember, RBI is nowadays focusing only on educated bankers, knowledge bankers. Okay, it does not want anyone who just comes at the in time and goes at the out time by putting the stamps or just printing the passbook. Okay, those jobs are over now. You might be seeing many of your seniors at the means those who are on the retirement, just printing the passbook, full day printing the passbook. That's not going to work in future days. Okay, future of banking is very competitive. Very, you will have to compete with number 1 private banks, number 2 these small finance banks, number 3 these all new banks which have come up, number 4 you will have to compete with Amazon, Flipkart, every Google Pay, everyone you will have to compete. Okay, so remember, the banking which you have seen for last 50 years won't be the banking which you will be seeing in next 10 years. Banking is going to change drastically, because once the blockchain technology enters banking, remember this word, what am I saying? Once the blockchain technology enters banking, banking is going to change drastically. So that's why knowledge bankers are very useful. So what do you get? What do I get in CAIB? Advanced knowledge in the field of the work, means all the new technologies, what all is going on latest in the banking, better ability to make decisions in the field. So that is important. Whenever you work on any desk or any department, you must know whether what are you doing. Number 1. Number 2, you, if some customer comes in your front, you must be able to face that customer and mind well. Nowadays the customers query are not based only on savings and current accounts. They are based on treasury, they are based on forex, they are based on any Tom, Dick and Harry, internet banking, they are based on app banking. Everything under the sun of finance comes to you under nowadays. Okay, and remember, NBFCs have come as a major competitor to banks. Okay, even in future government itself will be a competitor to bank FDs. Okay, remember, mark my words, government will be the competitor to bank FDs in coming future. Okay, so coming back, see this, better an ability to make decisions in the field of treasury, risk, balance sheet issues, credit, international banking, economic analysis, all the fields of banking. Okay, remember, there are 6 types of bankings. Okay, which we do is just one, retail. There are remaining 5. Okay, internal promotions in the bank. See here, for every promotion nowadays they ask for CAIB. In many of the banks they have put JAIB or DBF as a entering criteria into the bank. Means nowadays what do? We enter the banks and then we give JAIB. No, in future JAIB would be, they'll call it DBF. That will be the entering criteria into the bank, and then you'll have to clear CAIB. Okay, increase in confidence in your day-to-day activities at work, because suppose here, if you know anything, you can answer the customer. If you don't know anything, what will you do? You'll just point the fingers at your seniors. Go to him, go to her, speak to her, that person, then that senior will do the same thing. If he doesn't know, go to the head office, go to a regional office, and the customer will run away. And now remember, customer running away from the bank is a huge loss to the bank. It's not the old age banking nowadays now anymore. Okay, Now there is a huge stress on NII, net interest income. So you have to grab each and every customer. Let him be from any category. All these 6 7 types which I have written over here, any of these, okay? You have to grab it, and the top TPP income you'll have to grab it at any cost. Is CIB exam tough? Not at all. Remember it, not at all. Why? Yes, it is a tough in the sort if you start studying for last 1 month or last 15 days, then it's tough. Obviously, any exam is tough. Okay. In one of my sessions yesterday, I told you that yes, CIB is tough. Even even now, I tell you that CIB is tough, but subject to if you don't study regularly. If you study regularly, daily studies, if you do, it's not at all tough. Okay. For that matter, any exam is not tough. Proper guidance is required. Now, proper guidance from whom? There are many guides available on the YouTube and internet nowadays. You just type any subject on Google and you'll get all the videos on this. But the point is, the guide who is guiding you must have himself the proper knowledge. He should have cleared CIB first. Remember, I have seen these things. Those who have not cleared CIB and those who don't know ABC about banking, they take classes about this, but don't go for anything. Go for the structured ones. At Adda 24/7, we all have done more than 18 batches. Okay, more than 18 batches now, and we all means all of us are excellent bankers who have left their jobs. Okay, and some of them might be working still. So we are bankers. So get this point. Proper guidance from professionals like Adda 24/7. This is very important. Okay. What are the benefits of clearing CIB? Banking knowledge, application of banking knowledge. Now remember one important part. Banking knowledge, having knowledge is very simple. You can get it from Google also. But application of that knowledge, that is important. Many people have knowledge in this world, but can they apply it? No. Okay. Otherwise, everyone would have been Dhirubhai Ambani, or everyone would have built Reliance over here, right? So application of knowledge is very important. Knowledge everyone has, right? So analytical skills or logical skill, reasoning skills. These, now you'll say, where is this NIT paper in this CIB? No, it's not there. But if you check the calculations of CIB, if you see the case studies of CIB, there you'll get the analytical skills. Logical skills. Logic is very important in CIB. Remember, whole BFM paper is almost based on logic. Means whether it's profit or loss to the bank. That's the only concern. Okay. The decision making and the problem solving capacity of an individual. Here, once you have the knowledge of anything, you get a better decision making ability. If you don't have the knowledge, you can't take the decisions, right? And problem solving. When will any branch manager or any senior management trust you? If you have the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, will the senior management trust you ever? No. So how will you prove whether you have a knowledge or not? You'll prove it using this CIB exam. Important banking concepts are cleared over here in CIB. Okay. Fields in banking after CIB. Here, now this is very important part. Whenever you clear CIB, what all are the promotions, in which all departments can you go? That is very, because here all these departments I'll tell you: risk, treasury, credit, international banking, economic analysis. All these departments plus trade finance is one of them. This is international banking, comes under trade finance. Okay, so these all fields are the lucrative fields in the banking. See here, have I written retail anywhere? No, because retail banking you are already working, and I know many of you have got fed up in retail banking. I'll tell you, right? Because some you might feel it very harsh, but remember, many of you I know have got fed up with all that insurance, daily insurance, then daily that login day, insurance day, mutual funds day, this day, that day. Just run means it has become like we are not a bankers now. We are just the persons who run after the business, right? But that is the part and parcel of retail banking. Okay, and in every field it will be the same race now. Remember, of course, in other fields it's not to that extent. Other fields mean these fields, race, treasury. These are all majorly back office jobs. Okay, but very lucrative and very knowledgeable. Once you are in treasury, just imagine. How do you view any person, any friend of yours or any colleague, any known person of yours who is working in treasury department? Do you view him from the same angle as yours, or do you consider him more knowledgeable? Let's take this simple example. Or anyone working in trade finance department, how do you view him? Do you view him, yeah, he is also same level? No, but you always know he has some better knowledge than you. Why? Because he is working in that department. Because the departments over there are so good. These departments, I'll tell you, they are so knowledgeable. And balance sheet analysis. See, this balance sheet analysis means it's the core of any bank. Right? Trading account, P&L and balance sheet. These are the core of any bank. Based on that, the bank, any bank or any financial institution or any institution for that matter works, right? So international banking. International banking, it will include trade finance, retail forex, everything. Okay. So these all are credit management. What is credit management? Or whether here, understand one concept. Credit management is not related only to loans. Okay, it is related to cash management of that customer also. For big customers, you have to give various services, not only loans. You have to handle the cash management, cash flow statements, everything you have to handle. So corporate banking type of structure this is. Okay. EA, economic analysis. This will give you the entire knowledge of where the society is moving to, where the country is moving to, what should you do as a bank. So you become the strategic partner of the bank over here. You are not just a worker in that bank. Okay. So these are the few fields which you come after CAIIB. So remember one last lines of mine. CAIIB will boost your career like anything. Any bank promotion, anywhere, any new department which comes in, and there is any requirement in any department, they'll definitely look at you if you have cleared CAIIB. So if you want to get out of everything of this retail humdrum, move towards these specialized courses, and for that go for this batch. See here, you can't clear CAIIB just by studying on yourself and doing some 15 days work after that. Okay, so for clearing you need a proper guidance, and this guidance is given in these classes. Now regarding this fees, okay, 17,999. How do you minimize this fees? See get the discount. I'll show you live now. Okay, let's see. One sec. Let me open open the site Adda 24/7. Okay. See here, go to Adda 24/7. I'll show you live over here. Go to Adda 24/7. On this site, go to the front page. See this. On the front page itself, you'll see JAIIB and CAIIB. Click on this left side, JAIIB and CAIIB. You'll see all the packs over here. JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack. Go over here. CAIIB November, December 2022 English batch. Okay. You'll see all the batches over here. See these batches, right? These batches. Now click on the first batch, 17,999. Okay. Now you'll see the fees and see the details given over here. 120 plus hours of ABM plus BFM plus retail. Ebooks are available. Then topic wise ebooks are available. Topic wise tests are available. Recorded videos are available. Everything you can read it over here. Also, see this 1799 view offers. Click on view offers. Now we'll see the offers. In the offers, click on this code Y432. Click on apply. Once you click on apply, you'll see this. See this 1799 was the earlier fees. Now it has reduced to 4139. 1799 to 4139. What a reduction! 77% off is going on. Grab it as fast as possible. Immediately grab it. 4139. Now let's say you get 2 increments after CAIIB. Okay. Then it will be roughly 1300, or even if you get a single increment for officer grade, it's roughly 12 to 1300 average. Okay. Now imagine 1300 into 3, 39, right? So within 3 months you recover all the fees. Okay. And whatever remains after that, whatever you'll get after that is your lifetime achievement. Okay. So go for it as fast as possible. Tomorrow I'll come up with a new topic. So bye till then.